Wait, just dropped another load off for me for chips. Right on. The dog watching. Well, that pile's about done. I'm hitting dirt now. I got most of this done. I still have to move the hay rake when I get some more, or take the pile on the other side of the driveway. Getting there. I'm gonna move the disc out of the way and the hay rake. Get some of those chips on the other side of the driveway. Alright, I got the hay rake and the disc in the lane, and I'm going to go ahead and put chips over top of this. Hey, I'm going to tap into this new load, and we'll take this over into the yard there where the hay rake goes. Well, it's almost 7 o'clock. I ended up talking to the neighbor, so I didn't get this completed. But this is the last of the second pile. Anyway, I go feed those animals. Catch you next time.